Hello kids. Today we are going to learn about clean food leads to good health. Okay, before that we will revise last video's portion. Okay, in the last video what we learned? Our needs. What are our needs are there? Food, clothes and shelter. And how should be our food? Our food should be clean. Okay. So, for clean food, what should we do? What to do? If we need a clean, healthy food, what to do? We should wash all vegetables, fruits, grains, and where we cook food, that place should be clean and neat. And in which utensil we are cooking food, that utensil also should be clean. And before eating, we should wash our hands. We should wash our hands. We sit on clean place and we should eat the food slowly and chew it well. We learned this one no? In the last video. Okay, after food what should we do? After the eating food, we should come back to the basin, again wash our hands. Okay, this much we learned in the last video. Today we are going to learn clean food leads to good health. Yes. When we will eat a dirty food, we'll get a sick. We'll fall down sick. So that clean food leads to good health. See, storing food. Where you will store the food? In refrigerator. Yes or no? We store food so that we can eat it later. Some cooked food remain. Where will keep it? Where we will store it? We will store it in refrigerator. Because in refrigerator, food will remain some time safe. It will not become spoiled. When you will keep it outside, the cooked food will become spoiled, roast. We should store food such that is safe and free from germs. We store food so that we can eat it later in refrigerator. We should store food such that it is safe and free from germs. Germs cannot grow at low temperature. Why we are storing the food in refrigerator? Refrigerator temperature is very low. You know, you will get in refrigerator, you will see the ice because its temperature is very low. In low temperature, germs cannot grow. Germs cannot grow. So we store food in refrigerator. In low temperature, germs cannot grow. So we that store food in the refrigerator. The refrigerator helps to keep the food and drinks cool. The refrigerator helps to keep the food and some cold drinks, milk, juices, etc. Always keep the food covered. See, after cooking, you keep the food covered. Cover the food. You cover the food. If you keep it open, housefly, some other insects will come and sit on that one food. When they will sit on that food, they leave the germs on that food. That germs, then what happens? That germs goes into our stomach. So that you keep the food covered. Always keep the food covered. Don't keep it open. We can also preserve food items by drying them into sun. Some grains we are drying now. We can also preserve food items by drying. Food grains we are preserved by drying it. In sun rays we are dry it. You know, groundnuts, ज्वारी means jowar, wheat means गेहूँ. सभी ग्रेन्स हम धूप में थोड़ा सुखाकर फिर बाद में बोरी में डालते हैं. Yes or no? When we will dry it, no germs will be spread into that because they have become dry. Sometimes we add salt before preserving them. In that grain, sometimes we add a salt. Neem leaves. कभी कभी हम क्या करते हैं, उन ग्रेन्स में साल्ट डालते हैं. साल्ट नमक रखते हैं. नीम का पत्ते रखते हैं. बिकॉज दे prevent the spoiling. They cannot, in that one salt and neem leaves cannot grow any germs. Now see, fruits like a mango, citrus fruits can be made into jams, jellies, syrup. Then we can eat them in a winter or in a summer. Some juice, jams, syrups will you eat every time now? Not in only that season. Such as a mango, citrus can be made into jams, jellies, syrups and preserve it in a cold place, safe place, and we can eat them whole year. Pickles also see. We can make a pickle of a mango, lemon, so many vegetables we are making a pickles. And we are putting in that one salt. Using that pickle more salt. So germs cannot grow in that salt. So that the pickles also we can eat 6 months up to 6 months. Understood? How to preserve the food, and clean food leads to good health. Now see here, talk and tell. Question 1. How many times do you wash your hands in a day? अब बोलो, आप दिन भर कितने बार अपने हैंड वॉश करते हो? How many times do you wash your hands in a day? सुबह से लेकर रात तक कितने बार आप अपने हैंड वॉश करते हो? One day you count and tell me. Now you all are in home, all are in your house. Okay, one day you count that one, how many times you will wash your hands, and you tell me. Okay, in live class you tell me. Now second question, name 3 vegetables which you eat in a salad. Salad means raw food, such as a cucumber, tomato. It is in called Hindi tomato, in English tomato. Cucumber, onion, beetroot, carrot, radish. These all vegetables we can eat as a salad. Yes or no? Yes. Salad means उसको ऐसे ही without cooking, बिना पकाए खाते हैं. We'll chop that one small piece and we'll eat. उसको छोटे छोटे टुकड़ों में कट कर हम ऐसे ही खाते हैं. That is called the salad. Understood, kids? Okay. See, what is the next is there? Next question asked is there. This one question asked. We will see in the next video. Until you first learn the difficult words. Otherwise you say new words. In the last video I also told you shredding, chopping, vegetables, grains. So many new words are there. Hurry, chew, finishes, washes. You underline that one, all new words, germs, vessels. Okay, underline, learn that one, and what? Read the lesson without knowing the words, how to read. So that first learn the new words, seek, meal, this type served, should. Read the all new words from lesson. Then you read the lesson twice a day. 2 बार आपको रीड करना चाहिए. दिन में कितने बार लेसन रीड करना चाहिए आपको? 2 बार. Understood now? Will you read now? Promise? Yes. Thank you, kids.